the penny. Okay. So, hold it right here. Gotta hold it the same place each time. Okay, so, 1,002, 1,003. You hold out your hand, and take off. Okay, one. Pretty good. Okay. That's right. Oh, so 3. Took 1 try the first time, and then 3 the second time? Okay. I told you it sticks on there. Come on, pull it off. You gotta hit your head harder. Hit it hard! Knock it off. Hit your head hard. Hit it hard. You can't touch your face. Hit the head hard. Just smack it. Dude. Just smack your head hard. And hit it down like this. The penny's gotta fall off.
He's serious.